Okay, Chloe. Chloe's first ride on his bike. Say hello.
Hello. That's Isaiah.
Speak up, man.
Go.
Now, crank it.
My helmet. Okay. Ow.
Isaiah's
I'm
fault.
not responsible for anything that happens.
Chloe, do not die. Listen to me. Listen to me. Let off the gas. When let off of the gas when you want to stop. You listen to me. Let off of the gas. Don't keep doing this. You gotta let off to stop. That's your back brake. That's the one you're really gonna use. That's the one you need to use.
Put your foot on it right now.
Sorry about the black screen. Had to talk to my girl.
Hey, Chloe, go have fun. Don't crash.
There you go. Just turn to steer it like a bicycle. Hold on. Stop.
Got it now.
Fix the kickstand. Fix the kickstand. Or the starter. Dummy. We're gonna edit that out. I don't know why it's so darn blurry. There we go. Watch for cars. You gotta move. Give me gas, girl. Floor it. No, I'm kidding. She didn't hear me. She's far away from me. I was kidding, YouTube. I would not tell my daughter to floor it on her first ride.
Teaching her how to kick it.
Yeah.
This is how you go fast.
This is how you really do it. Quit coasting. Give us some gas. Oops.
That's good. Stop.
Shut up. Hush, David. Do not tell her to stop again. Let her ride. She's not even had it 2 minutes.
I didn't have it 2 minutes.
Yeah, you did. You had it for 5.
You were rocking it, dude. Hey, new experience is a new experience. Have you ever rode on a motorcycle before?
Dad, can
And you, hey, do you know what's awesome? You've never ridden on a motorcycle before, and you got to travel by yourself first time. That makes it awesome.
Dad, can you get him
Put your feet on the pedals.
Okay.
Go. Don't stop.
I feel like I'm learning.
Go.
Dad, can we get a moped or a dirt bike?
Yeah, we'll buy you one tomorrow, son.
You want about a 75.
Shut up. What color casket you want?
You get a 125, get a 125, that'll stand deal with.
We'll go ahead and get you a casket at the same time. See? See?
Turn it off. Lift it up.
She handled it.
She's fine.
She handled
Good job,
She
sis.
had it.
Ellie, get off.
Hey, awesome job.
Y'all done. No, she won't get another chance. She's good. She lived through that one. Let's go.
Isaiah, can you change gears as you're riding?
That's how you're supposed to. You're not supposed to change gears, and while you're not supposed to stop to change gears.
Juliana.
Can you get it?
Yeah. He's unbuckling it.
Dude, I want to see you go over there and start. All right, go over there and start. I'm going to say, on your mark, get set.
You fell down.
I want to say, on your mark, get set, go. And by the time you get to his trash cans, you got to change.
Has he ever
gears
rode it
and
on the
come
road?
up. No, you can't ride that
You got to
on the
pick up a
road.
little
You
bit of
gotta have a
speed.
license or insurance to get on the
Yeah.
road.
There's no lights on it, goofball.
Yep.
Well, if you add lights at like 2 a.m., he can go, right?
No.
No.
Because it's
There's
not
no
what you
cars.
It's a dirt bike.
need. It's not got the proper tires.
Car.
Yep, it's made for
Car.
dirt.
That's good.
Car.
That's them.
But
Hey, at least he didn't say, hey,
other way, look, it's a Kia Soul with no soul. I bet that's Ethan.
Yeah. Hey, no soul, Mama. Hey, no soul, Ethan, Mom. I rode a dirt bike. Okay, you done record this?
You're not the only
Wait, clip it.
Okay, that was it on Chloe.
Oh, okay.
Next is going to be Isaiah.